Hi, this is Kayye. We're here at DSE 2015, and one of the most exciting things that happened today at the show was AOPEN's announcement of their partnership with Google, and I'm here with Stephen Borg. Stephen Borg is one of the corporate directors here at AOPEN. First of all, good morning, and what do you think of the show so far?
Yeah, I think it's good. The turnout's better than last year, and you have a lot more, not just vendors, you have actual customers that are interested in the products. So,
well, you had a lot to say this morning. You guys made a big announcement. In fact, your new media player, I have one right here, and you probably can't see it on camera, but this has got a Chrome logo and an AOPEN logo. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so that's part of our joint development agreement with Google, and our role is to bring commercial devices to market as managed Chrome devices. So it's been an interesting task, but I think it's going to allow a lot of signage software vendors to not worry about the baseline and focus on their applications, right?
And it sort of streamlines the creative approach too, because now you have creative that is compatible with much larger file format and even HTML5.
That's correct. And there's 3 devices. There's the player, and then there's 2 what we call Chrome bases. So they're all-in-one touch devices in 22-inch and 19-inch. Right? So secured kiosks that you can mount to walls, inside benches, and really anywhere that you need to.
So AOPEN has always been sort of one of those leaders in the media player market. Yep. I assume that this partnership has been a long time coming because although you've been working with Google in the past, this is really more of an integration.
Yeah, so this has been an integration. I think Google realized that one of the missing aspects is having a true commercial device.
Right. Because they don't make hardware, right? They're making the service.
Yeah, well, they're part of the design. They're very detailed about the design. Sure. But it really comes down to them having that ability to penetrate multiple clients or multiple situations with this management baseline. And by having true commercial devices, they can do that.
And so when will this new line ship?
So it will ship in June. We're going to start taking pre-orders in May. And it will start, so the 22-inch, the 19-inch, and that device there will ship in June.
All right, so to get all the details, you can go to AOPEN.com, and of course, we're shooting videos on all the individual products, and we actually did some videos in the Google booth, yep, as well as in your booth today. So you can go to the video search window and type in AOPEN. And by the way, nice new logo, new design, yep, all capital letters now. That's right. So it's a little easier to even write on our side because we're never sure which letter was supposed to be capitalized.
Everyone was pronouncing it wrong, so I changed it globally to capitals.
I like it. I think it's a good new look. Great strategy, great strategic decision there, and congratulations on the partnership. I mean, when somebody says they're partnering with somebody like Google, people notice.
Yeah, exactly, and it will actually allow, even because AOPEN has 2 channels to market. It has its own product set, right, and then we partner with some large brands and we build products for them. Right. Part of this will also allow large brands to come on the Google platform with us.
Yeah, and I think this will take. Someone mentioned earlier digital signage 2.0. This will sort of take it into the next generation, yeah, where it's not this hybrid of technology and creative, where it's all basically driven by creative.
Yeah, and part of the premise of that was saying we want to take the fragmentation away from digital signage, right, and really get adoption to be simple. So this actually allows a customer, for example, if they're doing a 5-year rollout, to switch CMSs on the fly. The baseline's the same. They can just select it from the management suite. So it's not locking them in. It's giving them that flexibility. So,
well, congratulations. Your players, one little neat feature I want to mention, because a lot of people watch on our audience are pretty technical. Yeah. Your players have both HDMI and DisplayPort, which I think is a good decision. Yeah. I think that's interesting to note. And the other thing is you have both Wi-Fi and 4G wireless capability, which I think is interesting, as well as obviously direct network capability. So I think that's a good decision. Again, go ahead.
And one of the other things we put on both devices for Google were RJ50 ports. It allows them to communicate with any type of legacy device, which has been a historic problem on a Chrome platform or an Android or a Linux platform. It just all converts it through USB COM.
Right, and you can learn all about this at AOPEN.com. Thanks for watching, Stephen. Congratulations. Have a great show, and keep watching because we have just started. It's only halfway through day 1.